Hi, I'm Laura from Kingston, Ontario. I tested the PADERNO Fine Edge Arched Cake Pan. The pan, I would say, is a 5-star. It was excellent. I made a banana pudding bundt, and the design on it was nice. It cooked evenly, and it was super easy to clean up, even though I was a little mean to it and didn't grease it because I just wanted to see how it would stand up with a non-grease. It did really well. It only had a couple little pieces that I had to take out, as you'll see in the little video coming up, and I would recommend that it's greased normally, so that's why I didn't say that anything against it on that way, because it was actually perfect, and I love the handles, made it easy to bring in and out. And let's see the little video of it in action. Okay. Here it came out, stuck twice, one there and one there, but this is without doing any greasing on it. And there's the other piece. But other than that, it came out good. Has the design and cooked evenly. All of them. I would definitely recommend this to friends and family and everyone out there. The bundt pan was amazing, probably one of the better ones that I've ever tested. I used to bake a lot, so the older ones, they were a little bit more difficult, and if I didn't grease those ones, I would be taking it out piece by piece. So definitely recommend, and get out there cooking.